Hi everyone, it's Gayle, and I am here with a rare midweek little bit of a visit here about the July mixed media kit from Mixed Media Minnesota on Etsy. I wanted to go ahead and film this prior to my usual Etsy share because they are on sale already at Mixed Media Minnesota, and I didn't want you to miss out because, oh, this one's special. Let me just move aside. Guess what? It's the Life's Vignette from Blue Fern Studios and Jen Bishop. So I'm super excited. We're going to look at the papers first and then all the wonderful things that go along with this kit. So you'll remember these are incredible papers, incredible. And so in this kit, you get one of each of the designs. I think there's 10 designs. So, and then we'll look at the things that you have to create with to go with these. But aren't they just fabulous? Oh, every time I look at them, I'm just fall in love with them all over again. One of the things I love about Blue Fern, as you know, is on their branding strips, they have a design. And so you are able to use those fun branding strips too. So, there's little pipe girl. I love her. So cute. So cute. So, and then this one is kind of the journaling card, sort of memorabilia. I ended up cutting mine up for thises and that's, but yeah, so those are the papers. Do we have that one's kind of neutral? We'll just turn that over to use that as a nice little backdrop. Okay, so the other things that come with the kit, you get one of these fabulous kind of, this one's sort of a combo. So it's got some of the velvet in it. It's got appliques. There's a couple butterflies and flowers. I'm sorry, it kind of got squished up in transit, but a charm. So it's just kind of got a little bit of a sample pack, I guess, of some of the things, some of the laces and things. So there you go there. That's that. There is, of course, the wonderful die cuts. And as you know, those have such cute little pictures of our girls. So I'm super excited. They're going to get their home in my ephemera folio. And then the bits and bobs, and it has journaling cards. It has little pieces of ephemera to cut out, that sort of thing. You get that as well. You also get these cute little girl chipboards. I love these. So you need to stand up tall and proud, little girl. There we go. Yeah. So that you get those. You also get these are, I can't tell you. Oh, here we are. Little birdie flowers that go well with it. And then you also get this little birdie stencil that is like a stone wall, and you get stone texture paste. So I have used this before back in my mixed media days. It's awesome. So you guys will love that too. So that is what the July kit at Mixed Media Minnesota is. It's the Life's Vignettes, just to remind you of the fun stuff that you can make with it. Here's my little ephemera book. So I'm going to be putting my little girls in with these little girls. So there's that, and then I've also made this traveler's notebook. So, yeah, just to remind you of all the cuteness that can be in your life with this kit. So it's fabulous. Good job, Shannon, putting this one together. So, yep, Mixed Media Minnesota will be linked below. And yeah, let me know if you get one. I just wanted to get this out so you guys would know that these are available on her shop. And yeah, so run on over before they're gone. Thank you so much, everyone. Thanks, Shannon. Have a grateful day, everybody, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye.